Rested on my cozy bed, I gaze up at the full moon's third. Memories weave through my head, calm and serene, no words unsaid.
Windows show a starry scene, bright moonlight on a world so keen. Thoughts of old where hearts convene, golden moments all between.
Windows show a starry scene, bright moonlight on a world so keen. Thoughts of old where hearts convene, golden moments all between. Moonlight whispers tales so grand, holds the memories in its hand, softly guiding like a band, in a world where dreams expand.
Every shadow softly sways in the night, my thoughts and stays, lingering in warm displays. In the moon's embrace we praise.
Time moves slow in lunar light, carried back to moments bright, past and present in the night. Moon's glow steady in its flight. Moonlight whispers tales so grand, holds the memories in its hand, softly guiding like a band, in a world where dreams expand. Moonlight whispers tales so grand, holds the memories in its hand,
Softly guiding like a band, in a world where dreams expand.
resting peacefully on my cozy bed, gazing at the moon hanging overhead. Memories of you fill up my mind, calm and serene, I remember our time. Shadows dance in moonlight's gentle glow, whispers of the past in the night's soft flow. A love that once was now a sweet refrain, echoes in my heart though we felt the pain. Moonlit memories, they softly call, in the stillness of the night I recall all the moments we both used to share. In the moon's embrace I find you there. The stars above seem to understand every touch and kiss of your gentle hand. Though time has moved on, our love survives, written in the stars, our souls alive. The night is silent, but my heart's loud cry, wishing you were here lying by my side. Dreams unfold beneath the moon's soft beam, lost in your embrace in this endless dream. Moonlit memories, they softly
Resting on my cozy bed, I gaze up at the full moon's thread. Memories weave through my head, calm and serene, no words unsaid. Windows show a starry scene, bright moonlight on a world so keen. Thoughts of old where hearts convene, golden moments all between. Moonlight whispers tales so grand, holds the memories in its hand, softly guiding like a band, in a world where dreams expand. Every shadow softly sways in the night, my thoughts and stays, lingering in warm displays. In the moon's embrace we praise. Time moves slow in lunar light, carried back to moments bright, past and present in the night. Moons glow steady in its flight. Whispers tales so grand, holds the memories in its hand, softly guiding like a band, in a world where dreams expand. The midnight whispers tales so grand, holds the memories in its hand, softly guiding like a band, in a world where dreams expand.
Whispers dance softly where shadows lie, a silent symphony where dreams take flight, in the glow under the moon so bright. On a peaceful night where stars align, echoes of whispers in the night feel fine, a lullaby traced in silver light, underneath the moon shining so bright. Beneath the sky that's draped in stars, the moonlight's honey touch heals scars. In the hush of the evening's gentle beam, life feels like a tender